A lot of this stuff comes from stress, processed food, sugar, lack of sleep, processed carbs, sedentary lifestyle, seed oil, things like that. And this can all lead to insulin resistance. And they get all these little things coming off: migraines, PCOS, inflammation, heart disease, erectile dysfunction, type 2 diabetes, all these sorts of things. And it's not on here, but you could also argue that things like cancer would be on there too. And I've sort of started calling cancer type 5 diabetes. Heard it here first, right? And that's because your body gets disrupted and it can't function properly. If you understand the cancer biology mechanisms and the molecular mitochondrial, or the role that mitochondria have to play in cancer, you understand that every cancer cell has damaged mitochondria, but they don't necessarily have damaged DNA. In fact, some cancers don't have any genetic changes, but they all have mitochondrial dysfunction. One thing you get when you raise insulin, one of those over 100 things that you disrupt, is autophagy, something that people have heard. It's just autophagy. The body is eating parts of itself. Some people argue that, well, that comes from your body's starving and is trying to scavenge resources. Well, that doesn't make sense. We have a lot of fat. We have a lot of stored energy, so we don't actually need that. And it's actually a normal process. You take a mitochondria, you break it down for parts, and then you make more mitochondria. So that's not actually taking that and then using it somewhere else. They're just replacing it. That's normal housekeeping.